Did you know that it's actually good to let your hair produce its natural oils? According to a study published in the Healthline, natural scalp oils help maintain healthy hair by providing essential moisture and protection. So skipping shampoo once in a while can actually be good for your hair. I do that once a week, especially on weekends, since walang pasok and I can just let my hair breathe and rest from all the stylings and products. But of course, I still want my hair to feel fresh and look okay, lalo na kapag may biglaang lakad or magfi-film ako tapos super oily ng hair ko. I don't want that. So I use Enfant Baby Powder. This product is formulated for babies, which means it is made for sensitive skin. And if it's safe for babies, it's definitely safe for your scalp too. It is mild, lightweight, and won't damage your hair. Plus, it absorbs excess oil, kaya pwede talaga siya sa hair. See? It's bouncy again. Kita nyo kanina, super flat. Tapos ngayon, it's bouncy and fresh. So if you're looking for a gentle way to freshen up your hair without overwashing it, try Enfant Baby Powder. Let your hair rest fresh and feel good.